Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to address error code 262, often known as "there was a problem sending data." In this guide, we'll show you how to resolve this issue so you can quickly resume enjoying Roblox. So what does error code 262 actually mean? Well, it actually happens when your internet connection has an issue. This could be due to weak Wi-Fi signal, network issues, or even firewall settings blocking Roblox from connecting properly. That problem will be over now. You can try a couple of our troubleshooting procedures. First, check to see if your internet connection is strong. Connect to a different network or attempt a Wi-Fi router reset. If it doesn't work, see if your firewall or antivirus program is blocking Roblox. Disable them momentarily and check to see whether the error still occurs. Another useful thing to do regarding this connection issue is to clear your DNS resolver cache by following these simple steps. Press Windows+S on your keyboard at the same time and then type in command prompt in the search bar. Right-click the first result and choose Run as Administrator. In the commands prompt window, type in ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter to execute the command. You should get a return message stating that the operation is completely successful, as shown in the screenshot. This resolved the problem in some circumstances. Try running Roblox to verify whether the 262 error has been resolved after flushing your DNS resolver cache. Another potential solution is clearing your browser cache. Sometimes, cache data can interfere with Roblox connection. To assess your settings, just launch Chrome on your computer and click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. To access the main configuration panel, choose Settings from the menu that opens. Scroll down until you see Privacy and Security section. Choose Clear Browsing Data. Here, you need to tick all the boxes in the Basic tab and finish by clicking Clear Data. You can also try reinstalling Roblox if none of the solutions work. This will ensure that you have the latest version which may contain bug fix for this error. And there you have it. By following the steps, you shall be able to fix error code 262 and get back to enjoying your favorite Roblox game without any issues. We sincerely hope you found this tutorial to be useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.